So over here, I'm standing in front of the doors of Total Wealth Academy, located in Houston, Texas. I've been a member of this real estate club since 2019. And today is my turn to invite members from the club to one of my properties. We're gonna check out Water Chase Apartments, and a legacy asset we've owned for 16 years now that we decided to reinvest into with a new investor group and start the whole process over again. We're gonna show the amenities, we're gonna show the improvements we've made, we're gonna talk about how much money we made in the past and how much money we're gonna make in the future. So if you're interested in something like this, hit us up at the link below, get signed up for our next bus road trip. When you can actually go out to the asset, walk around, hear the sponsor or the GP talk about his vision for the property, that's when you really get to see the magic happen. Now we're putting is a swing pavilion. What do y'all think of the paint color, right? Comes out nice? So what we're doing is that we're keeping the existing balconies and we're just putting the nice cedar effects across.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's even more stable now. This was a laundry room. It's one of our regionals that oversees Humble, and she must have a really good eye because she did everything. This is Water Chase's classic unit. It's 974 square feet and we rent it for $1,279. Now ownership is over. We got to get to the next level of rent. We got to get more competitive. That's where you spend the money. So everything you see here is more or less original from our initial rehab or little additions that we did along the way. Hope you guys had a really good time coming to Water Chase Apartments. The team was literally waiting for me to say, good job. They worked really hard to get that together, so I want to acknowledge Frank and Jose and Melissa and the rest of the team there that got the property together, and of course my team here with Ashley and Jason and Nicole for helping us be prepared for today. What an exciting day. I haven't done a bus road trip in a while, and it was so much fun to bring on our fellow members at Total Wealth Academy, to get on a bus, head on over up to Humble, 30-minute quick drive, and tour one of our latest acquisitions, which is actually an older acquisition, but a deal that we love so much after 15 years. We decided to recapitalize it, recycle the deal, bring in new equity, and start the process all over again. We got to see so much today. We got to see curb appeal and how it affects the impression of the potential renter. And of course, you know how the interior improvements can help you seal the deal. So it was a fantastic time. I hope you guys enjoyed it and hope you can join us on the next one.